In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Workspace in Notion. If you are cleaning up your Notion accounts or stepping away from a team, leaving a workspace is quick. Once you know exactly where to look, I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what each area means, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident before you click Leave. First, make sure you are in the right workspace. In the top left corner of Notion, you'll see the current workspace name. Click that name to open the Workspace switcher. This is especially useful if you are part of multiple workspaces, like personal, team, or client spaces. Take a second to confirm you are viewing the one you actually want to leave. It's easy to mix them up, so this quick check helps you avoid surprises. Next, we'll head into Settings. From that same top left area or the sidebar, choose Settings and Members. This is where all the administrative and membership options live. Inside Settings and Members, click on the General tab. The General tab consolidates workspace-level options, including the ability to leave. If the layout looks a little different on your end, don't worry, Notion updates its interface occasionally, but the wording and placement are usually similar. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the General tab until you reach the section called Danger Zone. Don't be alarmed by the name. This area simply groups actions that make significant changes, so they're out of the way and hard to click by accident. In that section, you'll see the option to leave workspace. Click it. Notion will prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you intend to go. Confirm the action and you are out of that workspace. A few quick notes before you do it. Leaving a workspace removes your access to its shared pages and databases, but it does not delete the workspace for other members. Your personal Notion pages outside of that workspace remain intact. If you are a regular member, leaving is straightforward. If you happen to be an admin, especially the only admin, you may see a reminder about responsibilities tied to that role. That's normal and is there to protect the rest of the team's access. After you leave, if you check the workspace switcher again, you'll notice that workspace is no longer listed under your account. If you ever need to rejoin later, you'll typically need a fresh invite from a current member or admin. And that's it, quick, simple, and done in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.